Got it here something very unique by Heads or Tails Coins and Collectibles. So let's open it up, see what's inside this beautiful box. So there's a little bit of advertisement, but this right here, WallStreetBets Leo statue, and this is a 925 silver statue. Ooh, that's beautiful. Let me put on some gloves. Okay, there goes nothing. Let's pull him out. Wow, that thing is hefty. This right here is 8 ounces, 925 silver, and as you can see, the moon and the rocket to the moon, and he's holding a couple of diamonds. That's beautiful. And down here it tells you the collector's number, because it's limited edition, grams, 273 grams, I think it's 8 ounces, and 925 silver. This is symbol for silver. Beautiful. As you can see, it's like super rustic. Nice button. So next time I'm going to be investing into stock market, I'm going to set it up in the background. You know how I do it on a cell phone once in a while, and that will be in my background. And again, this is silver, so if people stop caring about the WallStreetBets guy, I don't think they will. I think it will appreciate over time. If anything, it's still silver. Melt value of silver, if silver goes up, it's still going to be value of something. You know what? Look at this hilarious thing. This WallStreetBets has monkey feet. I cannot believe it. This is so hilarious. I love the rocket. I don't know if I will ever sell it. This thing is just so unique. What do you guys think? High quality, couple of diamonds. I can't believe he has a monkey feet. Is it like supposed to be a joke? Is it always he has monkey feet, or did they just add on to it a little bit, like kind of make fun of it? I have no idea. So I just first time notice it. High quality for sure. I love that little thing. And Heads and Tails, I actually bought a couple of things long time ago before. And guess what? I paid only $600 for this little thing, this little stand over here, and it's a little trap coin. And guess what? Nowadays they sell for $1,200, cheapest. So let me show you how this works. Just to remind you all, this is a gold coin, and this is a Morgan silver dollar, 1921. I think they use a real coin. And whenever you press it here, what will happen? It will bite. You see it? It's a little trap coin. And then to reset it, you just open it and press it down. How cool is that? And that's a real tiny little gold coin. That thing is amazing. You see 1921, I think that's what they use, Morgan silver dollar, and they like made it into this little coin. So amazing. So yeah, bought it for the video for fun, thought I overpaid. There was $600 for this thing. Now they sell for over $1,200. Good luck finding it cheaper. Just amazing. And another one that I scooped up for like around $600 long time ago. Very lucky as well. There's 321 out of 999 of them. Again, paid around $600. Now that people get to know this thing more and more, this little stand over here, in case you want to put it on a mantle, people willing to pay a little bit more because there's only 1,000 of them. And the original obviously cost a lot more. All of this, from what I understand, are reproduction. And this is again Morgan silver dollar. I think they use 1921. And whenever you press it right here, it hides a little gold inside of it. This is pure gold in there with the art. I think 1/10 of an ounce, maybe less. But it's so cool. Mechanical coin, again, double my money with all the crazy inflation, I guess. But yeah, these things are sell for a lot more money nowadays. So I only can guess how much this thing will cost once all this WallStreetBets guys who love Bitcoin will find out this thing exists, and they're going to sell on eBay probably for double in no time once everybody gonna figure it out. This is 925 silver, little statue, all this Bitcoin and crypto coin guys and AMC and whatnot probably will wanna have one of those, especially the ones who made a lot of money on those things. So yeah, pretty beautiful packaging too. I'm probably gonna stick it in the packaging, let it do its thing, maybe appreciate it a little bit. But you never know, that's a hope. It might devalue it if people don't care about it. But yeah, there is more. 8+ 3 ounces, 250 pieces. That's it. There's only 250 of them made. They're gonna get sold out so fast probably after that video. But yeah, that's such a cool little note right here. Look at that little yacht over there, to the moon. So cool. There's advertisement, there's a silver dragon and stuff. They make a whole bunch of different stuff. And what is this? Oh, this is a little polishing towel, so that way you can clean it.